Hey, what's up guys? Dan Kraus here again. In today's video, we're going to make a lighted line board. So this is going to be super easy, super quick video. We've got this Stucky light, great little light, and we've got a line board here, and you can see this is a really wide line board. Good for initial damage and you know, getting a feel for a line board, but not really what you want if you're trying to get really fine-tuned. You need these lines to be a lot closer together. So what I've done is just went to AutoZone. I got this tape, and we're just gonna line it up and make 3 lines basically down the center. So let's do it. All right. So let's give it a try. All right, there you go. That was pretty easy. Now you can see the fog and the lines at the same time. And let me just show you something else. And so all I did there was I flipped the light around, and now the lines are on the inside, and so it gives it a really nice, even a really soft look to it. So you can flip it around the other way if you want super high definition, or if you want it to be more of a fog with the little lines, then you could do it that way too. So there you go, guys. Hope that helps you.